Welcome to the Garcia family vlog. If you are new to our channel, we are traveling the world one city at a time. If you like content like this, make sure you subscribe and like. Enjoy the video.
Eddie brought her blanket. And we enjoyed breakfast.
Talk to me, I will be looking for you. I will be looking for you. No, I'm on your side. I keep trying, I can't read. Wanna go,
All right, we are in the playroom just having some lunch while they play, and we are gonna go check into another hotel like right in the center of Copenhagen called the Strand, and we're gonna stay there just for one night. When we get there, we're gonna go explore Haven, I believe how to pronounce it, with all the colorful houses along the waterfront. That's like the most typical postcard picture of Copenhagen. And then we are going to have dinner and just relax and get on our cruise ship tomorrow. It's a 13-day transatlantic cruise, stopping in the Azores and ending in Florida, right next to our house. So we are super excited about that. After being gone for almost 2 months, we are excited to get back home.
All right, here we go.
If you're thinking about staying at the Strand Hotel, this is a standard double room. I'll do a room tour real quick. It does have a very small mini bar right there. Storage. This is the bathtub. The bathroom is like almost as big as the room. You will not believe what they consider air conditioning for this hotel room. Watch till the end of this video to find out. So every time to get in and out of the hotel, you have to go down these steps, and since we have a stroller, you have to use this lift. All right, we made it. This is what Copenhagen is famous for.
Look at Daddy.
Goose.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
So we were sick of McDonald's, so we came to 7-Eleven, and they had taquitos, chicken skewers, like all kinds of stuff, chicken strips, pizza. So we just got a bunch of everything and relax in here because we didn't want to take the kids into like a restaurant and do a whole dining experience right now because it's close to bedtime, and if you have toddlers, you know what that means. So we just wanted to get them something to eat quickly, and we're gonna go to bed early tonight to wake up for our cruise tomorrow. Nice view though from the 7-Eleven. Those 7-Elevens in Denmark have these cheese taquitos. The only thing they just don't have sauces, like dipping sauces. Like in the States, you would get ranch with that, or hot sauce or something like that. And they have these little chicken strips, chicken bites. And they have these chicken kebabs. That's really good. So this is literally just like Amsterdam where we just left. Just a little bit cleaner.
I saw that
It seems like down every little alleyway there's something like really cool. This is just a surprisingly very beautiful city. The architecture is really nice.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book. Yeah. All we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibe.
You will not believe what we just found for the kids. Randomly as we were walking back to the hotel. Trampolines in the ground.
To the beach, you can meet me there. When you get there.
I mean, how great is this for the kids? I wish America had something like this. This is really cool. I'm so thirsty. I really want to bust up that 1.5 liter of Coke. So how American would that be at the park, busting up the 2 liter of Coke? The super inconvenient elevator. At least I guess they have an elevator. That's positive. And our hotel was listed as having AC. This is the AC unit that the hotel has. And we were actually kind of okay with this because it probably did a better job than the AC units that we've had experience with. But so this fan qualifies as air conditioning at this hotel apparently. We're not too mad about it because it's still, you know, it's better than nothing, but just something to note when you're looking at hotels in Europe.
Good morning. We are all so excited about today because it's Cruise Day! I don't think we've ever been more excited to get on a cruise. This is actually day 52 of our trip around the world. And this cruise, we're doing the transatlantic cruise on NCL from Copenhagen to Port Canaveral. And this is the last leg of our journey. So that means we are one more step towards going back home, which we're all excited about at this point in the trip. So if you've ever wondered what it's like cruising with kids and doing a transatlantic cruise with kids, stay tuned. And I think there's only about 500 passengers on this ship, so this should be really empty and fun.
Take notice of the stroller. This is how we got around Europe in taxis for the last 2 months. Every time the driver would say, oh no, it's impossible, it's not gonna fit. And we're just like, trust me, we're experts at this by now, it will fit. And that's how we got around Europe with that big stroller.
That's the one we went on.
The people in Copenhagen love kids. They loved our kids. And can you believe it's almost over? What an adventure this has been. If you want to go back and watch our videos in order from the beginning of our travels, I built a playlist for you on our channel. It's just called Around the World in Order. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey with us, and we will see you tomorrow on board our cruise. See you tomorrow.